Hi everyone, I've got an absolutely fantastic opportunity here today over on Margrove Road in Salford to show you this chain-free property. We've got a 3-bedroom semi-detached here. As you can see to the front, we have a lovely low-maintenance front garden with a potential for off-road parking, and then coming through into our entrance hallway, this leads to 2 spacious reception rooms and then a kitchen dining room as well. We've also got the added benefit of a downstairs WC, 3 generous sized bedrooms upstairs and a bathroom suite as well. So that's our lounge area, bay fronted, very generously sized. We've got some storage under the stairs as well as our downstairs WC here. Following through nicely into our second reception room. So this could be knocked through to make one large reception room, and then we've got our kitchen diner here. So we've got ample storage space in here. Got some more units tucked away in the corner there. And then we've got a dining area over here as well. So we've got a fantastic space. And again, they make perfect family houses. Situated in a very convenient location, close by to lots of amenities, transport links, schools and parks as well. So there is access down the side, as well as a detached garage, which is currently used as storage. And then we also have this fantastic low maintenance rear garden. As you can see here, we've got a very nice plot, nice and well maintained. And coming back through the property, so we can see our kitchen extension here. Property is single story extended and is coming to the market chain free. Also presents a fantastic opportunity for someone to put their own stamp on a property and would be a fantastic first time buy or family home. Now ascending the stairs, we have 3 generous sized bedrooms, also benefiting from ample storage up here. So we've got some fitted wardrobes. This is our master bedroom, bay fronted, and again lots of storage in there as well. Or that could be taken out and making the rooms bigger as well. Same in here. As you can see, we've got great view out the back of the garden, the extension and the garage. Lots of storage in there as well. And this is our 3rd and final bedroom. So we've got 2 double bedrooms and a single. Got some integrated storage there as well. And then completing this fantastic property is our shower room. Again, chain free and providing a fantastic opportunity for someone to come in and put their own stamp on a property. If you would like to arrange a viewing, please give our office a call on 0161 707 4900.